everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have another intro for you. Shocker of all things. Imagine that, in January I'm doing an intro. But this is, I believe, the 4th year running for Partners in Cream. This was created by Steph and Delynn. They are going to be listed down below. And I don't know if there's a spreadsheet or not. I can't remember. But if there is one, I'm going to link it down below, as well as I'll have the hashtag here on the screen if I remember to put it in. You know, I'm always filming at night. It is midnight, and I'm not going to be editing this tonight. But hopefully I will remember to put all the stuff and the things in. All right, this project is about cream, liquid, gel products, anything with like a high moisture content that is likely to go bad faster than your powder products. So I believe the original number was like 3 to 6 products. I'm going to bring in 5 to start, and we're going to, like, you know, rotate through some things. I do have 2 things in here to finish, but I'm not worried about those. The other 3 things are going to be goal-oriented, so let's get into the ones that are goal-oriented first. The first one is this purple gel liner. I have it depotted from the Profusion Eyes palette from like 100 years ago. It is super pretty, and I accidentally like gouged my fingernail in it. I will not be working in that area. I just want to hit pan on this, make some progress on it, and you know, make it well loved. Next up is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. This is like the unicorn in my collection. I don't have a lot of things like this because I can't wear this like a regular eyeshadow. To me, this is not a cream eyeshadow, and it's not really an eyeliner. It's just kind of there. It's not quite a base, like a normal eye base. I don't know what to call it. I want to just hit this blue line here. I want to use it enough to where I get to the point of needing to sharpen it down past that blue line, so you don't see any of that blue line left, and I will feel like I have accomplished something, because that's going to take a while. It's probably going to take the entire year, and I didn't mention the dates, did I? Because, you know, it's midnight, and this is Jessica's brain at midnight. It starts January 10th and goes to December 10th, so it's 11 months, and then we take a month off, and I suspect it'll start all over again because, you know, that's what it's been doing, and I like it, and I'm going to come back to it every year because I have a lot of cream stuff. All right, next up is one of the products that I intend to finish. This is the Essence Fix and Last 18-Hour Setting Spray. I am not a setting spray kind of girl. I don't even know why I own them. I mostly use this to do my eyeshadows, like to foil my eyeshadows. So that is primarily how I'm going to use it. There's not a ton left in it. I would say just under half, and I like to get her done. This next product is something that I literally just got in my mail from PR. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It is a moisturizing primer. I really like it. I've worn this the last 2 days. It smells so good. It's like a citrusy floral cream. I don't even know how to explain it. It's real light and fresh. And it kind of looks like a moisturizer, but it is a primer. And my goal of all the crazy things in the world is going to be to hit pan, jar, whatever, down at the bottom. And there's a lot of product in here. So this is going to take, again, probably as long as the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. It's going to take the whole entire 11 months, I'm sure of it, for those 2 products. The others, I think I'll be able to rotate through fairly quickly, but this one, this is a bigger one. I really want to give this a chance because when I get new stuff in PR and I am able to like fully test and wear it, so, you know, I'm not constantly rotating it through 3 other primers, I feel like I can give this a fair chance and see how it works for me. I want to wear it in the cold months, and I also want to be able to wear it spring and summer in the warm months to see how it works in comparison on my oily skin. So we shall see how that plays out. So those are my 5 products. Oh wait, I didn't show you the 5th product. See, this is what happens when I film at midnight. The 5th product is another one I was unable to finish last year. This is the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. And I don't know when this is going to be done. The stopper is out of it. and the stopper's been out of it for like 3 months. And look, like there's still a ton of stuff on the wand, and I'm sure it's going to last for months and months. But with the stopper in, I was getting nothing. So I had to take the stopper out. But y'all know how it goes when there's a lot on the wand and there's no stopper. It gets a little messy. So we're just going to have to play it by ear. I think that one will probably be done before spring. That's what I'm hoping for. And I have a feeling I'm going to do the best with the gel eyeliner. And if that's the case, I have 3 other shades of this kind of gel liner that I'm going to like roll in one at a time and just, you know, play around with them. So that is everything for this intro for Partners in Cream. Again, everything is going to be listed down below in the description box. Check out Steph and Delynn. They are the creators. There will be a hashtag down there as well. If there's a playlist, it's going to be linked down there. And as far as I'm aware, like every other year, this is going to be open to anyone that wants to join in. It is wildly popular, and there's going to be a lot of people that have joined in from the previous years, and you know, new people discovering. This is going to be a lot. So if you want to binge watch it, get yourself some popcorn or another snack and a drink, some hot tea, whatever is your thing, and just, you know, go through all of them because it's going to be a lot of fun. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.